In this video, you will learn how to install WordPress on localhost so you can build and test your website without buying hosting or a domain. There are traditional tools like XAMPP, but today I will show you a much faster and easier approach. With this method, installing WordPress becomes almost one click, and it even gives you a local website, a real domain style URL like this. You can also make your website looks like abcd.com, which makes your project look much more professional, just like a live website. So first, go to this website, laragon.org. So this is the best alternative of XAMPP, and this is the best method of creating a local host. It is very ultra lightweight. It only uses less than 10 MB RAM. So click on download. Here you will find the latest version. Just download the latest version of Laragon. The download will be started. So the software is being downloaded. Just open it. For the first time, it may show you a warning, just run anyway. Choose your language and then click OK. Choose your directory and then click next. The installation has been started. So after installation, it is asking to do a restart. I'm going to restart the computer now. After a successful restart, just search Laragon and you will find this. Click on it. You will see a similar interface like this. To install WordPress, just go to menu and under the quick app section, you will find WordPress. Write a project name. I am using WP Wiki. Click on OK. After successfully the website has been created, you will see this URL is now clickable. Also, you can use visit site option. Just click on it. For the first time, it may take several seconds. Choose English. Click on continue. Now give a site title. Actually, WordPress database is being created and you see this domain is now active. Just fill up these forms. Then click on install WordPress. So WordPress installation is successful. Let me click on login. Login with the username and password here. See, our website is now active. By the way, this is actually a local host. You are seeing this as a domain, but people who are outside of your computer, they cannot access to this link. So you can do any type of test or tagging here without buying domain and hosting. So that's how you can install WordPress on localhost on your own computer. As you can see, the process is really simple, and now you can build, test and experiment with your WordPress website without buying hosting or a domain. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorial, plugins, themes and website building tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.